So the Space Needle for the event of a lifetime, talking to the goers, to the beers and the consumers of the Space Needle. We want to kind of get in their heads a little bit. We want to know what the Space Needle has to offer them. You know, I think they're going to tell us a lot about what's going to go on up in that needle. The needle's under construction right now. We have a lot of danger going on here, and hopefully people will tell us how dangerous it really is up there. So let's go find out.
Do you have any assumptions as to like what the purpose of it is, or like why it's here?
Asteroids. Protect us from asteroids. It has to be. Which Star Wars was it? Where they had like the force fields coming out of this giant point. No, it wasn't the third one, was it? It was with Jabba the Hutt.
Designed for the World's Fair that was held in Seattle. I know that much. I don't know when it was. I don't know what it's for.
Sending signals to other planets.
HARP. And there's chemtrails they're spraying too.
Get the planes. Yeah.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you.
It's the frequency modifiers. It's HARP.
Look at chemtrails. That's how they make them, and that's where they're from. Those go to the air, then the Space Needle bounces some cell signals through them, and that's where weather is made. That's how we have weather. Do you know how tall the Space Needle is off the top of your head? See, I think that by the time you're 3, it goes out of your head forever, and no one can know how tall it is.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the problem, is no one can tell us how tall it is.
You know, you could just go over there and read the number on the side.
They don't actually tell you up
They do.
there.
It's at the top.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah, it's pretty tall.
I heard it was 10,000 feet tall. I think it's for observing stars.
It's a taller spot so that if planes fly over, they don't hit things.
So it's taller so they don't hit it?
The cranes. So then if they come over, they can see the Space Needle and know not to fly any lower.
That's a good theory.
We'll have to find out in the future.
Did you know that the Space Needle is the first needle ever made? Everybody's here sees the Space Needle, but they should be looking at this. This has been here for years. Nobody knows what it means. It says funny face. That wasn't written there by the ancients. That's graffiti, and that's wrong. This is the Space Needle. So people think it's for lasers. Some people think it's to look at the stars. Some people think it's so that planes can fly over it. I don't know where I'm going with this. I had a point, but I lost it. Why would somebody put this here to make it easier to fly planes? Clearly, that plane had to turn to get out of the way of the Space Needle. But really, what this is just a building. It's just a really tall building. Don't go see it.
Be safe.
Be safe.